Hello! We've got August Crate. It came at its normal speed since July came super slow. Wow. August. Boom. Yeah, stick that over here. Okay. Oh, there's just so many little things. Watermelon. Seed candy. For all those times someone told you they'll grow in your stomach. Oi, they have a very strong, there goes one, artificial watermelon smell. They look like M&Ms. Oh, but they're harder. Mmm. They taste exactly like the artificial watermelon, like bubble gum or Jolly Ranchers or anything like that. Like to the max for how that small that thing is. Keeping with the same theme, yellow watermelon. Something. Looks like a little taffy type thing. Probably gum. Probably gum. Smells like gum too, so we'll just put that aside. Keep that for later. Same with this hard candy, which is Ramune flavor. Then there's a black dot there, which that worries me a little. I don't know what that thing is. Then we got, well, we'll just go along with this because this also looks like gum. Also is like a gum or a taffy, something I can't eat right away. But they have little flavor things on there, so if you combine those, then you get blah. That's pretty cool. More pineapple gummies. Wow. Oh, yeah. It's probably artificial pineapple, but it smells almost like real pineapple. Never held one out. And they're really good. Oh, wait, another. These ones are better than the Pikachu ones that we had in July's crate. Alright. There's that. I have no idea what these are. Just mini something. I guess it's supposed to be a mystery. Bug. Can't get it, and I'm afraid everything's gonna fly. There we go. They look like little nerds, and there's something underneath. Can I get it without exploding it? Oh, look! I think it's Da Vinci. Or Michelangelo. That's what I meant. Little, like, art piece. Even has information on the back, but all in Japanese. I can read the date.
Yay!
So that's cool. Let's see.
Come on. There you go. Come on.
Little. I sure hope I'm supposed to eat these. Yeah, it's flavored. Okay. As I looked at it, and I was about to say, boy, these kind of look like the packets of the to keep all the moisture out That's a thought. Looks like a bubblegum flavor. A ramen / bubblegum flavor.
Little do we know that's what all of them taste like.
Well, you're all welcome, because now you know. Ooh, these are very, very soft, gummy. Try to kill the cat.
I went to pick this up and say, all right, so this is how long you have.
Yeah,
then
well, your joke backfired.
It just I like how,
Watermelon on a stick.
I like how she like jumped back and then just looked up at me and then
Hmm.
continued to eat. Like, all right, I'm over it.
It's two different ones. Yellow watermelon and red watermelon. I wonder if they taste any different. They're very watermelony too. They're super, super soft and squishy. So that one did just taste like your normal artificial watermelon.
This one kind of tastes like the
It is different.
yeah.
I can't place it.
It's like the melon, the Japanese melon flavor.
Maybe it's just because I ate the other one, but I'll take your word for it. Because
Yeah, 'cause it's
It
the
tastes
same as
still
like
good.
the melon
it's
haichu.
not bad.
It's that flavor.
And we've got a jelly packet, which it looks very dark, so it's either cola or grape. Hoping it's cola.
You'll be able to smell it immediately.
There's the melon. Now that everything out of my mouth. It's the bad thing about eating all this at once. Oh, it's gonna fucking squirt at me.
It's a squirter.
Everyone's a squirter when you hit the right artery.
Hey!
Oh, it's cola. Whew. And it is. Whoa, I can't even tip it. There is like goo there. Whoa! Whoa! The puddle that was there was like a shot of cola syrup. It was good, I just was not expecting it. I love cola flavored gummies. I know we have some here that are really good, but these are right up there on par. We don't have any cola jellies like that. Mwah. There we go. Yeah, look, you can see better that way. You can get all sorts of cola in you. Cans, bottles, mini cans.
I hear you, for fuck's sake, I hear you.
Bella really, really wants attention today.
Yeah, but then when I start petting her, she's like, alright, I'm done with you, and she walks away from me.
Gonna eat ones, big ones. Meh. Can't get it out. Oh,
Can I?
it's super sticky. So sticky, I can just do that.
Do you want in my coat?
We're back. They're so good. So good.
No, she heard the truck.
These are gummies too. Gonna say that they have like that cooling thing to them, since it's a polar bear with some ice water. They've got like some type of gel inside, so this will be interesting. They're really soft.
It's refreshing flavor. Oh my god.
I don't even know what it smells like. Oh, but they're adorable. Little balls.
ramen, I'm gonna guess.
It's normally my guess. Yeah. Yep.
Because that's what it kind of smells like.
Ooh, there's the jelly. Those have a really nice. Normally, well, some of the ramen flavoring on things, like these, don't have like a huge taste to them, but those do, and I don't know if it's the jelly in it. If it does, I hope it has a cooling thing because it's kind of what's on my tongue now.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'm crazy.
Mm-hmm. No, it does.
Okay, good. The powder stuff. It's like little. It's not powder, but little. I don't know. Almost like little salt sprinkles or something like that. It's like Smartie dust. Yep. That's how we describe that. Smartie dust that immediately dissolves. Oh, here's another one of the. Oh, no, maybe. It's not the same, but it feels like one of the corn sticks. It's shrimp, I'm guessing, and not weird cat bat flavor. I hope not, anyway. But yeah, there's is one of the corn sticks. Since it's already smashed, makes it easier. Oh, it's definitely shrimp. It's so good. It just melts. I've said it 100 times and I'll keep saying it, but think Cheeto for the consistency, and then it melts away. And we've got watermelon takoyaki. Normally these things are like a pancake type of thing, and then they have a filling in them, which traditionally it's red bean, but now they have everything. But whenever they come like this, it's like a ice cream cone on the outside, and now it'll be watermelon, and I can smell it already. And apparently, I'm gonna cut right around its head. Apparently in Japan, I was told this when I got some takoyaki at one point, and it was like that, and I took a picture of it and sent it, but I bit off its head first because I really wanted to eat it, but I wanted to show some of my friends in Japan that I finally got some, and they're like, oh, you eat the head first, and I had to ask about that, because it's like, yeah. So there's a whole thing about whether you start at the tail or the head first, and apparently I start at the head. But this looks like
I saw things like that.
it's very airy in there, and it smells very much like the artificial watermelon. Oh, wow!
You want to hand me the knife, Bill?
It is very air wet.
Thank you.
Like the moment it got a little wet from my tongue, and it went away real quick.
Nice.
But it's really, really good. I like that. I'm not disappointed in that at all. Oh, okay. Well, these things are supposed to look like little ice cubes, and then there's a toothpick. But they're either gum, or what I'm gonna guess is the little mochi type candy gum. I don't know how to really explain them. But they're like yeah, we've had them before, and that's the reason why I'm guessing that. Especially with the toothpick. But they're the little like wagashi. It's like really old school Japanese candies and things like that. gonna guess these are gum too. Maybe an energy gum with an ice flavoring to them. So there's a little, like a glass of water there, and then he's screaming, and then there's the up. Don't know. Right. Can't even get them out. Trying to do it nicely so I can put it back in the thing. Yeah, just 3, if anyone watches Naruto, 3 food pills. Ooh. I bet these are ramen too. And it's not like ice water. Because they very much smell like it, but I think it's gum. We're just gonna put those aside for now. We also have chips. Ooh. These are umabashi. They are a pickled plum. And on the side there it says super.
Oh no.
So I'm gonna say super sour. So these might be like super sour chips. Potato chips. With ridges. And they're 35% something. I think that's ooh. We'll find out. Oh, you can smell. You can kind of smell it in there. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera very well, but oh, there we go. You can see the pink powder. Okay. Oh.
That's not what I like to hear.
I keep salivating. So, they're good. I don't know. They're not bad. But my mouth keeps. The salivation glands are on overtime. Here you go. Eat one of those. Think of a. Oh my God! It won't stop. Sweet and salty, or not sweet and salty, but salt and vinegar chip. And then add a little like tang to it,
Okay, it's not so bad.
and then makes your mouth water constantly. That's what that's like. That's a different experience. I like it though. Back to something normal. Kinda. Soft cookie with a peach inside. This I look forward to. Chocolate and a peach. Yeah. I'm for this. Oh, and they're all individually wrapped. You know what? Is this going to be something great to wash it down with? Since it's a cookie. Yes, vanilla coffee, vanilla just drink. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if I should shake it. It's getting cold. We're gonna shake it. Pour this out before we get into our Noir black cocoa. I love that Japan, maybe other places too, you can see, even when this is flat down, you can kind of see the lip there, where you can grab a hold of it, and it's not like a normal soda can where you have to like dig your fingers in there. Yeah, okay. I didn't look like it was gonna explode like carbonation, but I couldn't be sure. It looks like a coffee type drink. There you go.
Thank you.
I don't know why I brought another cup when I can just drink the rest of it from the can. So, let's see.
Smells good.
It does smell really good. It smells very vanilla. Vanilla. Oh, looks like a softer cookie. I don't know if I can... You know what? All over the laptop.
It kind of tastes like just like a vanilla milk.
It might be a milk tea. If that's the case.
That would explain it.
I don't... There's kind of the peach. I was just gonna say, I don't get the peach. But there it was. Or at least something sweet. It kind of... Some of the... It's soft. And I can't chew properly, apparently. It got stuck in my throat. But it kind of tastes like a vanilla ice cream that got melted down to make that. And that's actually it from the box. So I'm gonna get this guy out, go over this, and try some of this gum. I'm really curious about the watermelon. Grab a piece off of it. That's pretty good. Okay, so in the mini box would have been the very sour Mucho Supreme plum flavored chips.
That's a lot of words.
Yeah. We were right, with 35% more ume, salted Japanese plum. Oh, okay. Well, listen to this. With 35% more ume and citric acid, each chip has a refreshing yet stimulating flavor. It sure did. Okay, the premium puzzle and dragons biscuit umebo, which
Hi.
is different from the picture,
Can I help you?
but we got it. Taking the
You
gum.
don't need in that cup. No, you don't need any of this.
Oh, some of the gum like fell apart. Yep, shrimp flavored. So it's puzzles and dragons was the why it was so different looking. The mini bottle. That is sprinkle on your tongue and a cider sherbet with reusable miniature powder, bottle of powder candy. Receive one of 3 flavors, strawberry, cider, or lemon. And we got cider. It definitely wasn't strawberry or lemon. Who is this mince? Oh, these are... Woo! These are mints? The Albert Einstein and Michelangelo painting. One fella. Receive one of 70 historical figure stickers.
Jesus.
Whoa, alright. Cider ball. Ramune. Lemon soda ramune in your mouth with this ball-shaped candy. Okay. I don't know if the ball... Oi! If the ball shape is supposed to represent like the marble inside of it, or it's just a ball shape. And I think way too much into it. For the original box, then it gets to the vending machine cola candies, so have those. Oh, it's apricot and chocolate noir soft candies. Well, the fruit doesn't pop out so much, mostly because of all the chocolate cream. Anything? Oh, try it chilled in the freezer. And those apricots Or domestic apricots, just so you know. Oh, be careful sour soda. Okay, so, whoop. These three things, one of them
God damn
is
it.
sour.
All right, let's do it.
Last time, you sound very excited about it. Last time we did this, Alex got it.
And it was, I don't remember if it was immediate or
Three
if it
candy
was,
gumballs.
this isn't, nope.
Super sour taste ramen. I'll even let you go first.
I think you did last time.
Oh, well, do you want me to go first then?
No, fuck
Okay.
it. Fate is not with me, it is not with me.
Cola ball, which
I'm
was the.
getting this ready though.
I'm gonna do the other side. He did the, well, my left side. I did the right side. Oh, it's a harder gum.
Fuck!
You got it again? Say,
God, that is so bad!
mine's fine.
Oh my god!
Who's not having a good day?
I was!
You should have been over here doing this so everyone could just see your reaction and your continued reaction.
It's so much worse the more I chew it, and I don't know why I'm still doing it.
The gum's good. The normal gum?
I'll let you know when I can taste it.
It's
Oh
good.
my god!
I didn't know if it was going to turn my tongue blue because these things are very blue.
My fucking eyes are watering.
So, yellow watermelon gum is exactly that. Oh, and there's a little black
that is
spot.
nice.
We finally got to it. There's little, I don't know if you can see them, but there's little, black spots, and those are little sugar things in the gum, which I didn't taste when I ripped off my spot. I'm gonna get rid of this gum. Excuse me.
I'm trying to even think of...
Golden pineapple fettuccine gummy, which cut like fettuccine noodles. There we are. Watermelon and watermelon and melon burr gummy. B-E-R, burr gummy. Shaped like popsicles. There we are. The salt watermelon puka puka Thai was the watermelon takoyaki fish. Japanese fish shape, not takoyaki, taiyaki. If I said that wrong the first time, sorry. Watermelon flavored chocolate filling, yep. Okay. Watermelon seed ramune, exactly what we said. Starting from the pineapple fettuccine gummies, this is all the premium box. Cool cider mochi, exactly what we thought it was going to be. Wonder Doraemon gum, which is that, which you can mix and match the flavors. Rich ice vanilla, intense. Drink has both intense flavors of vanilla and creamy milk. And the vanilla is from Madagascar.
I really like that one.
It is really good. Like I said, it tastes just like melted down, really nice vanilla ice cream with cream. And then the bonus item this time, instead of Kit Kats, was the white soda polar gummy happiness. White soda polar bear happiness gummy. That's what that is. They are super soft. Japanese white soda, a lot like ramune. It's a center filled with a melted jelly to, there we go. Oh. Just looking at some of the different things on here. So if anything's super interesting. But yeah, that's our, that was our box. Alright everyone, thank you very much for joining me again, and I will see you guys later.